Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech AI. If you want to learn how to edit pictures on your mobile in a simple or easy way, we will teach you. This is an amazing and free editing software that you can easily download from the Play Store. Yes, we are talking about Adobe Lightroom. Now we won't keep you waiting any longer. So, let's get started. So, let's move to the mobile screen and search for Lightroom on the Play Store. Go to search bar and type Lightroom, and then install it. Great! Now that Lightroom is installed, let's open it up and start exploring its features. Let's sign in Lightroom with Google. This is the interface of Premium Lightroom. If you want, you can buy it to access advanced features. Select a picture from your gallery. We'll choose a picture that has every color so we can explain things to you easily. Presets are pre-made editing settings that can instantly transform your photo. Lightroom Mobile has many built-in presets, and you can also create your own. Here you can see that there are recommended and premium presets available for purchase. Now you can see that this list of presets is free. You can select any one you like from here. Now let's select a preset and start editing. Here you can see a crop tool, which allows you to crop your picture as you like. Next to it, there is an adjustment tool that you can use for editing your photo. Here is a color tool where you can adjust the colors of your picture. You can see options for temperature, tint, vibrance, and saturation here. Next, we'll move on to the HSL color mix section, where you can individually adjust each color to your liking. The Light tool lets you adjust the brightness and contrast of your photo. Here you can find sliders for exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. The Effects tool lets you add texture, clarity, vignette, and grain to your photo. You can also use the dehaze slider to reduce or add haze. The Detail tool helps you sharpen your photo and reduce noise, making your photo look clearer and crisper. Here, we've completed our editing in a simple and beautiful way. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon.